Are you all right, my guy? All right, cool.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get a hold of my daughter. I was supposed to go down and pick her up.
Right,
And
right.
I can't seem to get this to work.
Do you need help with your? You want to use my phone?
Well, it's an unknown number down at a woman's place down there off of North Avenue.
Yeah, I'm not gonna put you on camera.
Uh-huh.
I got a YouTube channel. I film these things. Well, mainly the dumbass police.
I can't seem to
You all right though?
get in.
Cool, cool. Yeah, that's pretty bad. I won't film him either. Sorry about your luck. Look at the damage on this. Looks like that car took quite a dip. Trash right here. Trash right there. Look at that. The plane's towing. Both airbags got deployed. Pretty big collision to make it move this far, huh? He wanted another dude talking to me. Talk about me if I get in the road. You know that. This is a Omen Street. We just had last Sunday another traffic pole over there collide. How you doing today, officer? Good, good, good. What dick. So this guy didn't want nothing to do with me. Told his son to go in the house. Now they're trying to hook. I think they got to change the tires. Rotate his tires, that's for sure. But look at the damage up there. So one of them was flying, and I'm gonna guess it was this one. Had him been coming this way, and this is the stop sign. So this guy had the right of way, but this guy was supposed to stop, and so slammed in there going so fast. His truck's all the way up there and everything. We got a third unit on scene. This guy wanted nothing to do with being nice to me. Well, that might try to get me off the sidewalk, the rest of the sidewalk. How pudgy they are. Yeah, fucking fat and out of shape these losers are, man. They didn't seem intoxicated at all. They were the ones who had the right of way. So whoever this guy is was the one flying. Totally smoked him out. He had to have spun around because he's got damage on that side. This guy's gonna talk to me for nothing. He's gonna give them some citation or something. He wanted nothing to do with nothing. I did try to come up to his car. But he's got Felix. I just walked up to the place. I ain't gonna put you on camera. He's missing, I guess, because the other two old men, they're shaking up. But if you're going on this street, there's no stop sign. If you're coming this way, it's a stop sign.
Coming from this way,
Yep.
past our house about 50 and didn't even come close to hitting brakes.
Wow.
So we thought, these two watched her come down the street and hurt her head.
Oh, it was a female driver?
Yeah, yeah, she's doing 50 when she blew the stop sign.
At least.
Then all of a sudden, boom! That was the end of her driving.
At least both airbags got deployed.
Yeah.
You know, that's something. And just Sunday morning, I live a block right up here
Yeah.
between Highland and Foster. And at 6:30 in the morning Sunday, a dude took out the telephone pole and landed in 3 houses later's front porch.
Dang.
Took out the front step gates. I got that on my video too.
Did ya?
Well, I didn't get it. I got the aftermath.
Yeah.
So I got all the debris and everything. Yeah, I got a YouTube channel, Boiled Corruption, if you want to go and subscribe to
It's
it.
called what?
Boiled Corruption.
Boiled corruption.
Like
Okay.
boiled eggs, but
Yeah.
corruption. Yeah, I go out and try to film police and everything.
Yeah.
And, you know, anything that you can see. Yeah, once, you know, there was no fatality in that one. Luckily, there was none in this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you gotta pay. I think the self-driving, looking at cell phones, looking at TikTok or whatever, you know.
Yeah, but driving that fast.
Yeah.
Stop signs. She went through 2 or 3 stop signs.
Wow.
And like I said, she went by our house at
But up there,
50. What's it? Cross Street?
Highland and Foster.
Oh yeah, Pioneer.
Okay.
I mean, we heard her coming, so she was coming way down the road.
Wow. That fast that you could hear it booking down the
Oh,
street.
yeah.
Wow.
And there, you know, every other intersection is a stop sign.
Oh yeah. And they're doing construction. You can't even go through here. Yeah. And that's what I was telling my friends when the Lakeview High School
Yeah,
went behind Myers now.
yeah,
Now it's the junior high, because I remember the last fatality was this 2 old couple, you know, an old man and his wife,
yeah,
got hit by kids getting out of school. So they just got their driver's license. They're in high school.
yeah.
So they flew on Territorial, where it's one of the streets where the first stop sign is Territorial,
Right.
and took out and killed this old couple. I'm like, well, the street's a little bit safer now that it's the junior high instead of the high school.
Right.
You
Yeah.
know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I pointed that on my viewers. I'm like, he's going to have to straighten them wheels out before he gets it up his bed. All right, cool talking to
You
you.
too.
Stay safe and don't drive fast.
No, I work for Bedford.
Right, okay, cool.
So, yeah.
Yeah. This cop didn't even want to give me the time of day.
Yeah, they're like
Yep, and I see his dog's name is Felix, the canine unit right here. So if you want to shout Felix, he might come out. All right, have cool.
that.
Ooh, I had super zoom. This guy was cool. I guess he lives up the street or something.
Well, they probably.
He's leaving. I ain't filming him. He's got his young daughter in the back seat too. At least the cops are cleaning it up. Maybe I'll get a video of that. I don't know how much battery I got, but you can tell them on the sidewalk. The other guy called me over. Oh, they're helping cleaning up their own debris. That sun's gonna be right in my camera. So he said there was a woman driver, and right here's a little bit of something. Yeah, that's showing the police actually doing something. Is that the one that was a trick to me already? How you doing? Nothing to do with me. He's actually staying away from him. I think that was the tow truck. Yeah, it is. This bud's for you. This is the tow truck that got the guy to the porch the other day. All they care about is their tires. I don't know if that thing's insured. I'm gonna tell them about that beer bottle, but looks like they don't give a dings about me. He's more pissed than I'm filming. Yeah, I just actually wanted to go and get a couple burgers at a fast food joint, and this stuff happened. If I didn't hear it, I just saw it. At least they are doing something. Hey, sir, I don't know how important it is, but there's a bottle of Budweiser right there. Yep, like maybe they were drunk or something, you know? Yeah, I ain't gonna touch it in case you need it for evidence. That's scared out of his mind. Out of his mind. Guy's still struggling with it. So I guess this chick was super floating. He said it was so loud that she was doing 60 and smoked that car out. I'm a freak. I don't know if they know it's me. That back tire might come out. If he pulls it straight back. Let's see if it does. Am I all the way zoomed out? Nope. Oh, there it goes. I was trying to... Yeah, that's a good idea. Wheel it up more in the street. It's gonna come off the bed. He keeps pulling it up. So that's the second tow truck driver, Bud's towing. The cops actually helping him do something. There's still debris in the street or sidewalk. This guy doesn't know what he's doing. He's gonna have to winch it more to that side because this tire is already angling that it's gonna flip off his bed. So this tow truck driver, watch this thing fall off. Oh, he's pulling it that way. Good job, the winch worked. Thank God for winches, huh? Right? Good job, you're doing good. Thank you. Yeah, it's totaled anyway, so throw all of it in there. How's it going? Cool, cool, cool. All right, Bud's towing. Look out for them. This guy didn't give a Nikes about that beer bottle. But he didn't have enough to go in his, anybody's got. Oh, Mike's still fall off. Disturberation. Sorry, I'm shaking. It's the first time I've been this close to cops, and he ignored me like 3 times. But the other 2 cops left. They did their best cleanup they could. There's still debris on the side he walked. So I guess that lady. They said the lady was coming down this way. Has a stop sign. They said they blew 3 stop signs. The other car had to went that way. Then he hit this and almost hit this tree, but flew from here to the accident there, you know, and flew all the way back like that. So he was flying. But this guy's doing a good job. The cops. Tricks, as usual. Go figure. She's got a pack of smokes in her car. A lot of paperwork in her car. We're still trying to crank that up. At one point must have been a nice truck. At least I had airbags. With the Sierra. We finally shut the door to close it up for the winch to pull it up. You know it's heavy too. It still might come off a little bit. But he's doing a good job. He's got a toolbox there. A thing up there. If I wouldn't have said something, you'd think that cop would have picked up that beer bottle. I seen it. No oil or gasoline or nothing. But it looks like there's some sand there. So it doesn't make no sense. So. Cars are still going by. I haven't left the sidewalk yet. There's some debris already. But the other tow truck left and he's wrapping it up, and Jacklet's still here doing not a damn thing, giving me attitude, giving me lip. Well, guys, now you know what city I live in. Well, it's nothing to do with nothing. I still don't see the dog, but it says his name is Felix. So I'm not leaving the easement or sidewalk till I see him leave. Alright, I'm gonna cut this. He didn't bother me that much. He actually did give me some attitude, but late.